We're going to be making some patterns today, and that's a real important part. We're going to be able to make shapes, fill them with a pattern, and then print our own little designs. We can use shapes, we can use letters, we can use all kinds of different things. So we're going to upload asset number 420, that is wave patterns, and then we will be able to add these to our upload. So let's click on upload and see what we have to do here. So instead of uploading an image this time, we're going to upload a pattern fill. And I'm just going to click on upload pattern, and I'm going to show you we have 4 different ones, and you have to use the PNG file. And I'm just going to drag that in. And that is what our patterns, it looks like a transparent background, which is exactly what we want. And it's going to be a print then cut pattern. And we are going to upload that. Now it had a transparent background. Now if I upload this as an image, I'll show you what the difference is. I'll use the same one. I will just upload it as an image. It comes with a transparent background, and that will come in as complex. We have a transparent background. We're going to apply and continue. We're going to use it as a print then cut image. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. So I'm going to start by uploading our image. I'm going to add it to the canvas. You can see the see-through in it right away. I'm going to bring in a shape, and let's just grab a star. Now we have a black star here. I'm just going to change it to white for now, but I am going to change it to a print then cut image, and I'm going to change the white. We're going to go here to our pattern. And as you can see, this is the pattern we uploaded. You'll notice it comes with a black background. Now that is automatic by Design Space. So if you have patterns that you're bringing in with a transparent background, it's going to end up as black. But let's take the same star. Let's just grab another star. And this is from an image that we brought in, if we don't want to use a pattern. And I'm going to change that from black to white again. And what I want to do is just send this star to the back. I'm going to arrange and send it to the back. As you can see it in the background. And of course what I want to do is trim off, and all I want is the piece that's intersecting here. So let's go here and let's go to intersect. And you end up with this nice pattern. Now it doesn't have a color per se. It took on the color of the star behind. So we have it as a white basic cut, but let's change that color now so we have more flexibility by using our intersect with the pattern. As you notice, I get the black here, but I get a nice pattern here the same way I want, and I have more control over the PNG or the SVG file that I bring in on this pattern. So that's just a couple of things on pattern. I know you'll be able to use this in your crafting, so have fun with it and just give it a shot.